Solana is a mid-position computerized cash presently evaluated at $20.87 that is a piece of the class negligible begot with a market capitalization of $8252628969 despite the fact that conventional reasoning over the most recent couple of years computerized types of cash including Solana spread out solid regions obscure in the overall money related world and are as of now being traded monetary sponsor and sellers generally are really enthusiastic about computerized monetary standards for instance since this positively is apparently the most open money related market where different assets have the kind of potential for 100x to 1 no x expansions in a reasonably sort of short period of time. These benefits essentially are really inaccessible and really unique business areas which fundamentally is the inspiration driving why without a doubt moderate monetary patrons genuinely are carefully improving their ongoing portfolios with cryptographic types of cash like Solana, while the pivotal ones by and large give an enormous piece of their genuinely subsidizing to this rapidly making asset class extraordinarily, having provided you with all of the truly preliminary rules critical to start bringing in the cryptographic cash plan of genuinely your own, or work on chipping away at the ongoing one. We should move to the primary issue and suggestion you the most wide saw quote that stretches from its very current standings to the expense levels anticipated that in a little while really in resistance should standard reasoning. It's the result of the consistent work of our specialists and expressly live readings of our kind of excellent crypto unusualness record, a significantly capable favorable connection that will help with opening the peruser's eyes to a more prominent picture in the Solana market, and for the most part make a sound hypothesis decision, or so they kind of thought at this really unambiguous convergence. The undertaking of all market individuals conveyed the expense of Solana to the level at $20.87 where it at present sits, or so they thought has as of now referred to Sol is a mid-position cryptographic cash since it is of now has the 10th spot and overall computerized cash positioning, the sort of metric that by and not completely settled by copying the continuous expense by the market capitalization of the mechanized asset in an unpretentious way. Because of Solana the market capitalization stays at $8252628969. It is crucial that both the interior and exterior are in good condition. The meaning of this border will become clear later in a simple way. Our cost expectation calculation is set up so that it constantly checks the value, position, and market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to. This gives our supporters the most accurate information about the current state of the market and what might happen in the future. It also lets the beneficiaries look at the state of their portfolio and decide if it needs to be rebalanced. Our calculation also gives a lot of weight to real information, which is really important for the right assessment of both the current and expected market structure and the assessment of its current and future direction. Below, you'll find especially important examples of this real information so that you can understand where the Solana market really is going in a large way. Yesterday, May 12, Sol was worth $20.26 at the end of the day's 2 trading sessions. Remember that digital currencies are traded every day, so each trading session usually ends at 12 p.m. In a quiet way, the cost change rate over that time period added up to 2.77%. Surprisingly, 7 days ago, on May 6, Solana was traded at 22.82 at the end of the trading meeting, which is pretty close to where it is now. This is in contrast to what most people think, which is that on April 13, which was exactly a month ago, the examiners traded Sola first. We might want to offer the really short-term price expectation of as long as a year ahead, which would be good for coming up with strategies assuming the price stays the same. This estimate would try to help casual investors whose trading strategy is mostly based on pattern fall, which is important. However, the chart below would be of great use for swing and positional traders who plan to hold coins like Sol for a long time, if not months. It shows the price of Sol and the readings in a subtle way. Market capitalization truly is another significant truly metric that in a real sense helps dealers sort of decide the notoriety of the digital money being referred to as well as its future possibility. It's additionally used to in every practical sense survey the offer that Solana holds inside the whole digital currency market. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization essentially is somewhat straightforward, the circling supply of the cash being referred to as duplicated by its fundamentally current cost in a genuinely enormous manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Sol for the most part remains at $8252628969, enough to name it the 10th biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday on May 12, the market capitalization of Solana in a real sense remained at $80.07149604 in spite of mainstream thinking 7 days prior. On May 6, the capitalization of Sol was $90013444563, or so they explicitly thought a month prior on April 13. How much by and large capital streaming around this specific market explicitly added up to $93267806444. Most digital currency financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization also determines the risks of a certain cryptocurrency and its ability to withstand disturbances, which are common on this very unpredictable market. The total supply of Sol is currently 539-312-705 coins, and the circulating supply of the cryptocurrency under study is 395 coins. If the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the back of low trading volume, it's likely that this move is illogical and would lead to a bullish trap. Because of this, it's important to look at the past and current trading volume of Sol requests to see if the market has a hidden strength, which is very likely since in recent hours the exchange volume has been very high. Statistics from Glassnode show that last month, the number of deals per day hit an all-time high of 682,000. This is more than 40% more than the previous record, which was set in 2017. Bitcoin's share of the $1.16 trillion cryptocurrency market has gone from 38% at the start of the year to 44% now. What is really going on? BRC-20 is the first type of crypto token created on the Bitcoin blockchain that isn't Bitcoin itself. About 25,000 of the trial coins have already been made this year. This has sent the number of transactions through the roof. Gordon Grant, co-head of dealing at Genesis Dealing, said, "BRC-20 tokens are something we've never seen before." According to data from blockchain